Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. It's the Wednesday, March the 15th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku. We have two puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. Binary number 6122. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column. There are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no O. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this box cannot be a 1. Should be no. Yeah. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Here we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Yeah. 3 ones we have here. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. If I place number 4, the fourth one, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have 3 O's. Still have 3 O's in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare. But which one? Double O. Not the same. Yeah. This column and that column. 0011 empty box. 001100 empty box. 1. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have well, 3. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct! Finished in 4 minutes. Well, only one time comparing, and we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.